Hey guys, it's Tuesday and this is your video with answers. All right, this is uh, the only way that I can teach you guys some reading strategies for language arts and reading and for you as a sixth, almost seventh grader. All right, you guys know the drill. This is week 6. All right, this video helps you understand the first article. So if you're looking at the screen right now, um, excuse me. Yeah. Sorry, I am a little confused. Okay, you're looking at the screen right now. This is your Tuesday article. Let me scroll up. All right. Title is Bosch, uh, Folderol, and Balderdash. Creative ways to say nonsense. Okay, nonsense. Remember, is like it's nonsense. It's stuff that doesn't make sense. Okay, or it's just something that someone's saying to distract you, or something like that. Okay, that's my first prediction of what this article is about. It's good that you guys do that too. All right, you read further to actually know what the title means. Okay, so remember, guys, we're gonna look at the questions, read the article, answer the question. The best way to get an A. Okay, so if you're looking at the screen, there's 4 questions. Okay, um, this question asks which phrase from the paragraph helps the reader to understand the meaning of dactylic. Dactylic, weird word. When I first read this article, I didn't know it either. All right. So if you look on the screen, I found it in the article and I highlighted it. Okay. You click and drag and you can highlight it. Okay. So, anyways, that's what I did. So I'm going to go to the next question. Okay. I'm just looking at the questions right now. All right. Let me go up. Number 2, read the following. Da, da, da. One characteristic is the word stress pattern. Which answer choice uses the word stress in the same way? Okay. So stress. I'm thinking of stress. What is it? How is it being used? That word stress in the article. I know as a teacher that there's lots of meanings of that word, and you as a student are learning those meanings. Okay, so I know you guys have heard the word stress before, and you probably heard it in many of the ways it could be used. Question number 3: which sentence from the article supports the main idea? Supports the main idea. It's not asking for the main idea. It's saying which sentence supports the main idea. The only way I can get question 3 right is if I read the full article. Okay, keep that in mind. I'm going to keep that in mind as I'm reading the article. And the last question: select the answer choice that summarizes the article. Okay, there's no way I can get that one right if I don't read the article. All right, get out, click, okay. All right, guys, now this is where you go and read the article. Okay, you can pause the video and go and read it, and that's the best thing to do. But I'm going to keep the video going and show you the answers. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go to where number 1 is found. I know where it's found because I did it earlier. Okay, read the following paragraph. Okay, that's the paragraph. I'm not going to read it to you right now because that would take a little too long. All right. And then which phrase from the paragraph helps the reader to understand the meaning of dactylic? Okay. So if you look over here where I highlighted that whole paragraph that they use right there in yellow. And then in red right here, okay, this right here is for the next question. These 2 have to do with the answer. Okay. So when you read this, we'll read it really quick. All right. You understand what dactylic could mean. So I'm going to start right here. Many nonsense words have a dactylic stress pattern. Okay, stress pattern. In this pattern, one stressed syllable is followed by 2 unstressed syllables. One online reference site, there's some evidence, explains that this dum-da-da rhythm creates such a sing-song pattern that it does not often sound appropriate for serious subject matter, aka nonsense. All right, it's not important to the subject, nonsense. However, it is perfect for nonsense. Okay, so what does dactylic stress mean? A, B, C, or D? A, word are emphasized. I don't even know if that makes sense. I think they just tried tricking you right there. So A is not it. B, one stressed syllable. That's not it. because dactylic says there, I just read it, there's more than one. Oh, one stressed syllable followed by two unstressed syllables. Right. So there's 3 syllables total. So that one's not right. Dumb da-da rhythm. That is probably right. Let's just check D, nonsense words. Okay. The best answer is C. Okay. A, B, and D are all part of it. All right. All part of what dactylic could mean. But C is exactly what it means. Dumb da-da rhythm. Okay, it says it right here. All right. The other 3 answers are parts of it. All right, so the answer is C for number 1. Going on. Trust me, guys, this will be very quick. This article is very easy if you read it. Okay, question number 2. Read the following sentence from the section. How a word sounds can support its meaning. It's what we just read. One characteristic is the word stress pattern. First sentence. So the question is, which answer choice uses the word stress in the same way as the sentence above? Let's check it out. A, earthquakes put serious stress on skyscrapers. Hey, that's a science term. So that's a physical stress, right? Like bending a pencil. It's stressing the pencil. Right? Is that what we're talking about in this article? It is not. All right. B, some languages communicate different meanings through stress. That's probably the answer, but I want to check C and D. All right, so C, the holiday rush caused a lot of stress for postal workers. No, not in this article. That's something that is unrelated. That's nonsense, right? Okay, D, a turtle shell enables it to withstand tremendous stress. That's just like A. That's physical stress. Okay, so the answer is B. That one was kind of easy, all right? Especially if you read the whole article. You know that there's no physical stress and there's no like, oh, I'm so stressed. Okay, it's stressing like in Spanish, you stress certain words. Okay, so you stress like right now I'm stressing certain syllables. Okay, if you still don't understand what that means, just keep pushing through and know that stress has multiple meanings. Okay. Question number 3. Which sentence from the article supports the main idea? Okay, guys, so please make sure you have read the whole article. It's not that long. It's actually very short. Okay, so A, describing something as nonsense can sometimes sound harsh. That is true, and it says it up here, but that's to trick you. That's the first sentence of the article. Okay, that does not support the main idea. All right, that's just to get your attention. Okay, B, other words for nonsense were formed via reduplication. That was down here. A process which syllables are repeated. Okay, that could be it. All right, that was one main idea of the article. This is a whole section about reduplication. All right, so let's just double check. C, reduplication is a hallmark of children's speech. All right, that is one sentence from right here. Okay, does that represent the one of the main idea? Not exactly, guys. That's to trick you too. Okay, that one is just one sentence about it. I'd still like B better, okay, because it gives you more information. Look at D. Claptraps were originally tricks that playwrights. Okay, that's just like C. That is another piece, small piece from the paragraph, okay? So guys, B is the answer for number 3. B is the answer for number 3, okay? Other words for nonsense were formed via reduplication, a process in which syllables are repeated. All right, that's more of a main idea. The other 3 are just one sentence facts. Okay, so that's why that answer is correct. Last question and we're done. Okay. All right. Central idea. I'm sorry. Hold on. Yeah. Select the answer choice that summarizes the article. All right. Let's look at them really quick. Many nonsense words have dactylic stress patterns, or one stressed and two. Okay, that's just about dactylic stress or dactylic. Okay, is that summary of the whole article? No. No. Okay, B. English has more words for nonsense than almost any other language in the world. I don't even know if that's true. I don't know. I don't even know if that's true. All right. So that's to trick you. It seems like it, but it doesn't talk about other languages in here besides English. So we don't know that at all. All right. C, reduplication, a process which words or syllables are repeated sometimes. A slight change produces many nonsense words. All right. So that's telling me what reduplication is. Is that a summary of the whole article? You got to be careful. So let's look at D. Although English has many different words to say nonsense, many of them share similar language features. Guys, the correct answer is D, because if you read the whole article, the 3 different sections talk about that. Language features, dactylic, reduplication, and the bottom one is like a mixture of both. Okay, so that's how we find D. Number 4 is D. All right, if you need the rest of the answers, you gotta go back to the video and grab them, write them down, go take your quiz. You got 100%. It helps your grade. It shows me that you listened to me, you watched the video, and you're learning a little bit beyond what you already knew. Okay, guys, this is week 6. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for doing all your work. Thanks for messaging me. Thank you for everything you do. Okay, guys, I miss you guys, and hopefully I will see most of you soon next year. Okay, if you switch schools, that's okay. This year's been good, okay? So, I mean, it's been interesting. Let's leave it at that. All right, guys, I am going to stop this video and go get 100%, please. Bye.